need you, my body. Amiri, Jagana Mutima, Jagana Mutima, say Jagana Mukue, Jagana Mukue, where I was it at that. Where would you want to know this? For me, let's go. Upon the ones it can find. Only Mulaki, Sana Puya, say Jagana Mukue, say Jagana Mukue.
Mama,
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear daughter. Happy birthday to you. You look like a king. You look like a king tonight. Happy birthday, dear Jose Camilio. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Everybody sing with me. Happy birthday, dear Dokita. Happy birthday, dear Dokita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Dokita. Jose Camillion. Happy birthday, Dr. Jose Camillion. And of course, enjoy your new age. What on the Auntie Penny? Auntie Penny.
Waiting for you. Nimesubiri sana nilituta na. Rafiki wa kweli, rafiki milele. Rafiki yangu nimempa sasa tu. Wanawasili za mulingiza kupima tizo. Hao madisha na unitishe na mawazo. Ninae. Lisi wangu sasa mizita kifujo. Ikibwana yesi yogofia divo. Upade man ongeza besi na trebo. Ni mtati kama ninaimba tangazo. Kikuwana basi unaishi nani. Jamani bibi ningekujali kuoni bebe. Ungekuwa ye nambari ya simu. Besi Mungu au Twitter. Lakini hata sura nimesubiri sana nilituta unana. I don't know what to do. I'm waiting for you. Nimesubiri sana nilituta unana. Rafiki wa kweli, rafiki milele kweli. Happy birthday Camillion. You are Father Camillion. Legendary Camillion. Kichomya Camillion. Njoo nikupe chochote unataka. Akuja kutanga mina kufata. Njoo nikukaribishe kwangu. Njoo nikupikie chakula. Naomba nikulishe na watoto wangu. Njoo nikulishe baba mama wangu. Nikulishe marafiki zangu. Ungekuwa nafasi unaishi nani. Jamani mpi ningekuja nikuone. Ungekuwa ya nambari ya simu. Mungu au Twitter. Happy birthday Camillion. Thank you. Melodious. Kama katona ya kuumba ya kuumba na mujake zikiza agamaso otono za chisa onyinga osigalo sekaba mibokaba osigara ngomwenya oh Father you mean kono kwenfunye zenemo kwejusa oh Father help me omukumire naye aremo kwejusa chusa unajipeperusha kakangu. Ulira mukwano nerero njagala manye kikwagala nawe nakugamba luli mukusoka mukwano nerero njagala okole ki mukwano nakuteya kabasi akasoka nzije nkulabe nafuuka munsizi wa bifaananyi siba kusiga ojojje werabe mukwano nsasira newe mbakukereddeko naye wange sikyebaka nzasiba nkulowooza
kwatirwe ekisaamu yenzobe olinga yenze gwojjukira abalala batabaye yawe nsi the melody, the party, the melody. Give you to the Baba, one I give a disappointment. But to the Baba, when I got to the body, Tagaramba, you be the one to the melody, I sing one. I never give the other one. I sing to the Baba, never give the one. Cha 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 cha, Kakusiga. Those are 10 years behind. He found me nowhere. He grabbed me off the street where I was stranded. He brought me into his life as a friend, and later on I became a brother. From the very first time you saw me, he has been my mentor, my brother, my father, and everything. Dr. Jose Chameleon, my brother, have nothing to talk about you, because when I go for it will be so emotional. Thank you for being the pillar of my career, the pillar of the bedroom where I sleep, my brother, the pillar, the concrete of my life. Thank you so much, brother. And then 14th, 15th, you're taking me to Toronto. Then we come back, and then we go back to Vancouver. And then if you come back, we are flying back to England, London. Yeah, man. Thank you so much, brother. I have nothing to give you. And this is a song that we did together later in the year of 2014, 2013. Nkolechi. I know people, you love this song. Bianca, how are you, mama? Uwa yogera sekansaliwa era yumira. Wamwenya kabana maziga kuba yumira. Lero mazali wako muganda wangezikiriza kuyimbire muko. I know, yeah. She's on my mind. Yeah, na yeah, ayagara genda kati nkolechi. Andese mazika ayagara. Toyagara kulinya taxi kupaka. She's the one I know, the one I know. You're moving with you. Sometimes you come out and all that. Yeah, kwagala yako wayamuka yagenda wakabiri yamugago nabetu kusabya ngane wenenya yara bedumita but we got no time to be serious. Don't bring me back to your office katalaba bili chakari kemfupe ulizu mushaki takiyasa wapi you ran only one for me so now you know that you wanna be mine. Happy birthday, Mayanya, happy birthday to you. I had to love my baby. Have a love my baby. I got a baby, Jesus, Sinamera, Yahoo, Tewali woro nakuwende kweka Miyabwe kudoris be forever. Uya nakwagala sasura tulifu kachita tonode korapa ni fredo wa Peter. Tewali woro nakwende kweka
One.
wansi w'oluyina tenunyigamire ndi mu kidiba kya laavu ndajanyakerera bakamasuko bekakwata kakumembese wambalavu mwanye nowakizadeko jangu omulwaso omutikire gule amaziga bwe gayiga wansi w'oluyina tenunyigamire ndi mu kidiba kya laavu ndajanyakerera bakamasuko bekakwata kakumembese wambalavu mwanye nowakizadeko. Follow me, man. Follow me. Lush. This is called Sika. It's my latest reggae, you know.
Yeah, man.
Come after me. Yeah. Sika, baby Sika, jagala kuamere, Sika ko, nabo Sika, jagala kulire, zay Sika, baby Sika, jagala kuamere, Sika, bomba Sika, jagala kuamere, wasule nanga, wajiga pengene na bawansi waluiga, teluiga mene, demo chikiva chela, bonaja nyakere na bakamasuko kakwata kafunembese, wambala umwanye ndo wajizatebe, jango omuraso mutikire kule, amaziga wegayiga ngabiriza peke, tendinade teji chope minye munde kasebe, mokada na bukamu bukuru, chingiwe sana ganonya bukufu, eya ina mboni katini gadu kogofu, unakobu nyanya zeko usukuru, Sika, baby Sika, Sika, Toyama Suka, Weburangeti, Alena Tuli Wasuranga Tuli Watutire, Umunde Kabu Sasane, Onachibuya Gakute, Emamba Bima Ligine, Nabindi Wabu Kwagana, Sika, baby Sika, Reggae music, you This is King Michael. You're just brother, you know that. Wasibaru yigate nyigamele demuchidiba chala modanya nyakere na bakamasuko weka kwatsa kafunembese obambichana oyirira kufache bangusungu lukede nawe era nsabanzito lunaku otwale mubazadde bolawe You wanna write on a wagon, you tell your mommy. You wanna write on a wagon, you tell your daddy. Me when you tell him no, son, you want nobody. Oh, I wanna everything goody. Night on the body, make a shake a body. Nah, when they get sexy, why in a body? I can't look at Camille and can't want to get out. She don't want to be easy. Woman,
betuyimbira tubazimbira ate nga tukolera gwanga Uganda bali babalamu mu kusomeko tuzigerano tudagana duniya nga tuzaya mabuje gaffe tekanatunga tudagana duniya nga tuzaya mabuje gaffe tukolera manyi tukole obutawereyo kunyoma emirimu tukolera manyi tupatikanira kuba bulungi ne tufuba ne tufungiza okuba obulungi olwokuba mabujje ne tukuba tuzimba eggwanga enyinja tukola misana na kiro ebitone bye tuwademu gye tubizi n'ebyensi byasitusa ne tutulire
sibawulira
wenjogerera tweyawulamu byafunaye twali babikwano wenjogerera tweyawulamu byafuna nno banange ate lupira yekazala luwa
obuvunanyizibwa
twalina togotegera tupatikanira kuba bulungi ne tukuba ne tufungiza olwokuba mabujje ne tukuba tubeekwanga enyinja
Millionaire the psychology, comedy the technology. Yeah, comedy the technology, comedy the psychology. A million time technology. Us, Charlie Mamsuku Wedeni.
Nakole taleno omusajja ku ntuyo ze.
Ono lya kunosula.
Bene bakade bama.
Mabuje gasome. Wachi. Teri. Miliyoni mumulaba mumwegomba buli lukidde yabaka wempe wali obuvunaanyizibwa odda mupogopogo alina Dr. Mane. Yes. First and foremost, I thank you everybody. I thank you everybody for showing me this love at my new age. Thank you so much for taking time for me. So respectful. Kubanga notices into Bulialiwano see hater. Bulialiwano, they love coming, right? I recognize my people from South Sudan there. I've seen people from Congo. Congo. Omonie Cameleo. Azamwana. Kamili Kompagano. Habibi Bomskeno. Kamili Kompagano. Habibi Bomskeno. Kamili Kompagano. Habibi Bom. I see you, Richard. Yeah, we're money now. Obulamu. Tuli mutomo sisi chawaka Bami tambula nabi kabite Tuli mutomo Everybody let's rise it up again Onage magara nyoba nage Kumira kuze tewera likirira Takubera nawe Antiwe kusubiza Ebya lupia Tambula nawe kabite wange Tuli mutomu Sijawanga manga Ola ni kwagala nyo baby wange Wizo wange tuli mutomu Wizo maniza Bakubabe kwagala nyo munange Wizo manizo Samu mukaza kwagala nyo manega Ona obi yaka kwagala nyo munange Ona Jaki jaki kwagala nyo munange Ona Maxi kwagala nyo munange Mwena baba mi bagala nyo banange Oh Habibi Bomskeno Habibi Bomskeno Kamili Kompagano Habibi Bomskeno Yasoke nyimbe keki ngajisala oluvanyuma I start with my job entertainership My people from Congolais. Yay! Merci beaucoup. Merci. On connaît Caméléon, la papa chérie, la grand-papa ougandais. Très bien. Très bien. Ice Twenty. Sure. Jabala, jabala, jabula. Caméléon, Mozo. Yes, we come so far away. They don't know about intimidation. Tivali wo intimidation. Babu sazo dirito. Oh yes, babu sazo dirito. Babu sazo dirito. Babu sazo dirito. Oh yes. Baliwa. Baliwa, baliwa. Baliwa, baliwa, walimbu ya nyone makubembe. Baliwa, baliwa. Oh yes. Baliwa, baliya kunchebele. Baliwa, bakubekebete. Baliwa, bahasala, hasala. Sexy people. Olu makusibe chegere. Kati ya tola kuchitore. Makuziza bakwita. Somebody there to tell me. Who don't know where we are? Bakana na bato situke. Who don't know where we are? My baby wanna ash. I. Oh yeah. Oh no, Mama Roda. Mama Roda, oh Mama Roda, hey Mama, Sarah. Bring the cake for me, please. Oh, no. Oh, Muambe basi Kampala, Uganda, Muambe basi. Muambe basi Dar es Salaam, Bongo, Muambe basi. Kigali, Rwanda, Ndabakuna, ni muza tubide. Obidenge nini bakongo mani. Atoba bakaye. Angesaze wakaye. Abababidoni bakaye. Amini saze wakaye. Atoba bakaye. Angesaze wakaye. Abababidoni bakaye. Amini saze wakaye. Viane Buze. Okay. Stop it. Keki bagenze gino na wachide wali meri mu bakery. Bali awo win.
Obeera n'abavubuka nga 40 naye keeki ne balema okuleeta ku budde. That's why bagala nti amamesa amangi. Too many chefs. In English is called as broth. Tuendelee au tusiendelee? Tuendelee au tusiendelee? Tuibe kama msale cake, right? Kariwa. Wanji? Which one? Kuma wasigwa. Kuma wasigwa. Kuma wasigwa. Kuma wasigwa. All the beautiful ladies. Look at it. Oh. Na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Everybody. Bambada. What do you want? Agalai. Mama wabada. Bambi chimaye. Oye mitala banti gera kumaliri. Ebizibu by'omunju tobilalasa obibulira babebuti bibakasaho bireetera ekitiibwa kyaffe okufa obibulira babadde ku bbali lwaki olowooza bakusasira olakuletulisasika byawe towuliriza tobasembeza balambe Thank you, sir. Mama wabana bange, mulongo wange, shoa na 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 na. Basuse teri amanyi misango gye tuzisikanye ndowooza ewaleewo gye tuvudde naye kati ddala abogezi basuse question mama abaana bakyabugwano babe olowooza bakusasira Give me the feeling. Melo. Why you okay, Kendala? Simba Events. Thank you so much for making my 45 birthday very big like this. I love you, bro. Makofi kwake tafadhali. Yes, sir. You people fear to talk about your age. My dear friends, I'm just 5 years away to 50. Muzaini yake meka? Okuweza ameka? bagiyita silver jubilee. Gwewe munyekikoze ntya. You know, abakyala balina abababuulirira basenga. But with the boys, nobody teaches you. You hustle it out yourself. But temwefuula busy. Kino kitono nnyo just cake. Muli wano mu bukuto lwa cake. Yes, I know it's a birthday cake. Just put the cakes together. Come on, bro. Anyway, I celebrate myself. People thought we'd stop, but we didn't stop. The biggest aspect of life is being alive. I lost a brother recently, and I was trying to rethink celebrating my birthday because I lost a brother. Then I know no. In life we have celebrations. One celebration is birth, right? And the other celebration is death. Between life and death, there's so many celebrations of birthdays where you say, thank you God, I've come this far, right? So my friends pushed me. I was emotional. No, Joseph. Let's celebrate your life. Thank you so much, Machali, but I don't take it for granted. I don't count it for granted. People hide their ages. I've served Uganda half of my life. Nafuka Stang at 20. Come on. Half of my life. Now I'm 45. Serving my beautiful country. Nobody told me how to do it. Nobody taught me, but I had the force to drive me to do it. Through the hardships. Financially, family, socially. I am a troublemaker. I am a peacemaker. I am a love maker. I am a heartbreaker. I am a Biona.
Full package.
Combo. Cocktail of living. I am a cocktail. I can give you noise if you want noise. I can give you sound when you want sound. On this beautiful day, as I make 45, thank you so much. Whenever Charlie Bang about traveling in my journey, I don't take it for granted. Baba corporate. Mutibakuba mungalo ne mama manyi nikambagabule cake tuve wano. Cake and music is what I got for you. You know I'm Joseph Chameleon. There's a guy recently who asked me, why Chameleon? And I asked him, what do you mean? Nembugamba, my name is Joseph Chameleon because I am full of diversity. But some funny Ugandans with their little education say I'm a chameleon. No. I am Joseph Chameleon because of diversity. I wake up and sing Chigwalero in that style. I wake up and sing Jamila in another style. Anyway, most especially I want to thank the leaders for giving me this special moment to celebrate with you. I want to thank Simba Events. Your man, I thought you didn't know what to do, but you're so special to me. Thank you. I want to thank Babuaya and everybody. I don't want to get emotional. I told you the emotion. Bakongole. Nina naba Filipino. Naba Vietnam. My dear friends, today is my day. I committed to one thing. I'm not going to get emotional. There's nothing to be emotional about. I'm just celebrating. And this is the last birthday I'm celebrating. My next birthday is when I'm 50. Now this young man here, I'm 25, never cut day. People ask me, how do I do it? Siteka monyo magezi. All I do is enjoy myself. Ati ulaba chijana oliba inzo kuloza mukuru wanga ateka yemuto wanga. Nsonze kwaluwa gwatunuddeyo. Me, I'm just pointing randomly. Thank you so much. So how do we do it? How do we do it? With this one right here? Okay, thank you. Sexy. Man full of colors. But I know God was experience. Thank you for loving me. King Michael! Best money one, man, I love you. Kwagara nyenye Mr. Kwata ulichaliwa. Yeah. Na so what do we do? Stuart Christian. Keki bonoji fumi tabaja kuroza tuli babanda. Najikwata chikoplete bana ba bloga batulaba. Wizo manizo. But anyway, conclusively, I thank everybody for taking time for me. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Okay, so, band, what do we do? Vianney music. Mudra. Kawempe to the world. Mudra.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna ask you to sing with us happy birthday to the legend, the one and only Joseph Mayanja Chameleon. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pull up.
Me and Chameleon, we partners in crime. Where you see Wisdom, you see Chameleon. My brother, you are a special material. These are words from your small brother, supposed to be reversed to him. Mama, Chameleon, you are the strongest. You are the wickedest. You are the shootest. I don't want you to lose hope because they want to see us down. They want to see us sit our ass down. And for the reason, if you love Jose Chameleon, let me see you say, oh yeah. Special material. When we lose him, we won't get another. Tell me, have we ever got another radio? Twafuna radio mulala. So let's respect what we have. Bigger, excellent, everything. I love you, my brother. Melody!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. One more time. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Joseph. Yeah. A hand up for Dr. Joseph Chameleon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, brother.
Yes, so blessings Wama Chameleon. Weba de tuvelerawo. Weba de kwagala Wisdom manizo kuba abakubanga sikwe. DJ Michael, big up on yourself. Weba de kwagala mugana wange. Anawase. Pura. So get to take ku stage kuba muganda wa Wisdom anate wa. Yes, let's take. Pura. Yeah, thank you for being there for me. I want to sing you this next song. Yes, so big up my run thing there. Run it! Come in it!
Better be grateful and thankful for this life you still. Chameleon, when the music comes on, I wanna see smiling faces. Be happy when you still have a chance. It's your birthday. 1, 2, 3, come on everybody. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You look so handsome tonight. It's Chameleon handsome. Yes, sir. It's the bride looking handsome tonight. Chocolate face. Chocolate face. Beautiful. Happy birthday. We love you. Yeah, you look so handsome tonight. Tonight, celebrate your life. You are a man.